What's the meaning of causally? Causally. Causally.
Causally. Causally. The term causally refers to the relationship between a cause and its effect. It describes the notion that an event or action is responsible for producing a particular outcome. When we say that something happened causally, it means that there was a direct cause and effect relationship between the two events. This concept is important in many areas of science, philosophy, and everyday life, as understanding causality can help us make sense of our experiences and guide our decision-making. Ultimately, causal relationships help us understand why certain things happen and how we can influence future outcomes.